the beginning by providing food, medical equipments like PPE, masks, hand gloves, and hand sanitizer to the government and private hospitals, media, and other organizations in remote areas people for their protection from COVID-19 pandemic. Bangladesh and abroad near about 1,70,000 families approximate within 5 months. Our organization last 2 years remarkable achievement. Enlisted member of United Nations NGO branch, which is under review, got permission from the Bangladesh government to work all over Bangladesh. Enlisted member of International Police Commission IPC, head office Philippines. Enlisted member of Mahatma Gandhi Foundation India. Enlisted member of Gandhi Peace Foundation Nepal. Enlisted member of World Peace Federation head office USA. Enlisted member of Global Socio-Economic and Financial Evolution Network Office Russia. Enlisted member of New World Life Association Head Office Sri Lanka. Enlisted member of World Humanity Commission Head Office Switzerland. Enlisted member of ASA Air and Sea Association Head Office Norway. Enlisted member of WIN Worldwide Independent Network. Enlisted member of Federal Association for the Advancement of Visible Minorities. Enlisted member of WCH, enlisted member of International Human Rights Community Head Office Africa, enlisted member of World Fellowship of Buddhists, WFBY Thailand. Our organization's last 2 years remarkable activities: arrange international seminar 10 times in Dhaka and Chattogram on inter-religious humanity and world peace. 10 days meditation cost in remote areas total 696 villages by the respected venerable monks. Donation for celebration of the Holy Kothir Jibon Dana, Holy Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Star Sunday, and Eid ul-Adha. Stipend for poor and merit students in all over Bangladesh. 750 students for all the community. To arrange scholarship for the brilliant students in abroad. Financial support for treatment to the respected venerable Buddhist monk and other community religious leaders. Total 258 persons for all the community. Financial support for the treatment purpose to the helpless people. During COVID-19 pandemic, our dedication, food and medical equipment in lockdown and crisis moment near about 1,07,000 families within 5 months for all over the Bangladesh and abroad. During COVID-19 pandemic, our dedications, medical equipments for the religious organization and some government and private hospital in Bangladesh, arranged to distribute foods to the street and autistic children. Play a vital role to support COVID-affected patients. Purchase land 10 kata in Dhaka city for one multi-complex by partial payment. For Chattogram project, also we apply for 8 katas usually land for Bangladesh. Running projects in Dhaka: orphanage house, old age home, religious and general education, street children general education center, meditation center for all the peoples, occupational and vocational training center for all the community, primary health care for religious leaders and helpless peoples, guest house for foreign delegations, cemetery, place of burning dead bodies for local and foreigner Buddhist and Hindu people, international cultural training institute, religion and social function, etc. To know our all information, kindly visit our following link, website www.worldbuddhist.org. For your kind information, in Bangladesh, Buddhist population 3.5 million, including hill tribes and total minority people 10% out of total population only, and maximum people are poor and helpless, and their lifestyle is under development. But we are not getting favorable support from the government as per our requirement, and we are always scaring for the unexpected incident. This is our homeland and we have rights to live in this country independently. That's why we dedicate our life to develop and serve our minority people, autistic children, street children, orphans, old age people, destitute people of poor poverty level, as well as providing with medical treatment, religious education, meditation, setting up venerable Buddhist monk training center, vocational occupational training center, arrange seminar on inter-religious harmony, humanity and world peace, providing scholarship to the poor and meritorious students, creating social awareness against drug addiction, child abuse, child labor and human trafficking, to help the victims of natural climates and rest, etc. We think such an organization has much importance and far-reaching impact on an underdeveloping country like Bangladesh. It is a matter of pride for us that organization has already achieved towering popularity in home and abroad. We also like to quote with pride that the elected advisory, the executive committee and general member of this organization are both dignified and men of strong personality of our country. Excellency, to say very honestly, we have no personal requirement for our own. Rather, we want to provide financial and other related support to the quoted people of the country so that they can enjoy their sound and religious life with proper health, care and education. So we usually collect subscription from the honorable members of the organization to create fund. Then we provide necessary financial assistance as well as different kinds of logistic support to the above quoted people of our country according to their needs. Excellency, at this moment we don't have permanent own office and complex in Dhaka, Bangladesh. We are working by rented house. That's why, as per all our members' decision, we purchased land 10 kata land in Aftabnagar, Bangladesh to run our project by paid partial payment. But bad luck, due to fund crisis, we could not proceed further to register the land and build our complex. We know Bhutan is our well-wisher and native homeland for Buddhist people. That's why we have decided to establish this complex by name of the Bhutan Bangladesh Friendship Social Welfare Charity, Humanity as well as Meditation Complex for the Buddhist people to develop and strengthen our fair relationship between both the country. In fact, we think to work this sector highly challenging with large financial involvement, but we have dedicated our life for the religious rights, socio-economic welfare of the people of our country. In order to fulfill the above mission and vision perfectly, we need adequate financial assistance. So far we know your estimated government and organization is really very kind-hearted to the minority people of native countries, downtown rest people of the world. We also know that you have quoted contribution in reducing the suffering of the helpless minority people of Bangladesh. We therefore earnestly seeking you kind and favorable support from you so that we can continue our philanthropic journey for the overall betterment of mankind. Please find attached our organization all the document for your kind consideration.